Looking for your next opportunity in roofing? Do you feel you're on a dead-end path? Want a new opportunity for growth and advancement with benefits? Russell Quality Roofing is hiring an experienced roof repairman. We're looking for someone with at least 5 years of experience in asphalt and metal roofing who takes pride in quality craftsmanship. Earn a starting wage of $20 plus per hour based on your experience and skills. Join a company with over 18 years of proven excellence, where you're more than just a number. Enjoy 401k with profit sharing, health insurance, paid vacation, sick leave, and real opportunities to grow. Russell Quality Roofing. Build your future with us. Apply today.